In this video, I'll be discussing how the One Funnel Away Challenge can help affiliate marketers. Now, there's quite a few reasons why the One Funnel Away Challenge can help affiliate marketers, even though we don't normally have to make tons and tons of funnels. The first reason being this, and I'll tell you this, it is very important to understand how a funnel works for the customer. So let's say that you are an affiliate marketer, right? You don't have to make the product. You don't have to do the customer support. You don't have to, do a lot of things. Really, you just have to kind of bring in leads and that convert. And when they convert, the company will pay you a commission. But what you need to do is know exactly the process that person is going through so that you can better market to that customer. So, for example, the biggest thing about the One Funnel Away Challenge is it's going to literally break down every single thing that goes into a funnel, what kind of funnels are possible. And so when you become an affiliate for companies, you're going to want to look at, the funnel or their website sales process. And so you want to learn just how funnels work, right? How they work. So my handwriting's bad, so everybody knows that already. Number 2, eventually, many people who start as affiliates end up making their own product. I'm not saying everyone does, but affiliate marketing is a ginormous gateway to create your own product someday. And that is a very fulfilling thing to do because you're no longer just putting your name next to a product, you are making the product and you can kind of take ownership of that. And so the One Funnel Away Challenge helps affiliate marketers to create their own product. Now, why is this important? Obviously, when you're in the first stages of affiliate marketing, you just want to stick to pretty much having a bridge page and that's it. Just by driving traffic to that bridge page, you will, make a good amount of money. But after a certain amount of time, you do sometimes want to create your own product. And what's really cool about your own product is you can incorporate affiliate offers and affiliate products and softwares within your own course. Okay. So let's say that you have a course, and you're teaching this, you're teaching that, and then you can have like a resource thing where within your funnel, you can show people like, other products that complement your course. So the One Funnel Away Challenge, for example, complements a lot of my affiliate marketing trainings. Why? Because affiliate marketing has a lot to do with funnel building, has a lot to do with copywriting. Those are all within the digital marketing umbrella. And so if I was to make my own course, which I am in the current process of doing, I want to be able to extend invitations to other products that will help them on their journey. So if I teach affiliate marketing, I'll just say AM. I'm going to want to, within the funnel, recommend things that will increase the revenue, right? That will increase revenue, that will increase traffic, that will help solve more problems. Because what you need to realize within digital marketing, the moment you solve a problem is actually the moment you kind of create one too. Now, what do I mean by that? So let me actually go to here. I think I can erase some of this stuff. Here we go. Let's do the eraser. Let's just erase it all. What do I mean by that? When you solve a problem, automatically someone else kind of has another problem. And that's not a bad thing. It's just you want to help solve the many problems as well. So for example, with affiliate marketing, what problem am I solving? Income streams, right? Maybe a normal 9 to 5 is timely. Like you're losing all your time. Maybe you can't create your own product, right? So you don't want to create your own product. All these different things, just side hustle income, right? That's what affiliate marketing solves. But what happens when someone is like, okay, I want to do affiliate marketing? You're solving these problems, but guess what? Now they have more problems, and I'll tell you why. Let me just move, see if I can move this over. Boop. So the moment someone goes into affiliate marketing, right? Let's make this a different color if we can. Blue. All of a sudden, as an affiliate marketer, you need some tools, right? All of a sudden, like, what tools do I need? How do I get traffic? Right? So all these different questions, like, how do I convert better, which is like copywriting. how does along with this, it's like, okay, what kind of tools do I need? And then all of a sudden they know that they need email autoresponder, that they need a funnel builder, and guess what the next problem is? Which one is the best one? And so anyways, this one funnel away challenge helps you solve problems. It helps you understand all of this, right? You need to learn how they work because every business uses them. And as an affiliate marketer, you need to learn how to at least make an opt-in page, which looks like this when someone clicks your link. So your link, let's say on TikTok, goes to, actually let's do this. We'll do more colors, how about that? We will do TikTok to your link, and you say click the link in the bio, and then it goes into an opt-in page, right? This is a funnel. This is where your funnel begins. So you can do your copywriting here, your words, and then there's usually like a button where people can put in their email, right? And then when they click their email, it goes to the next page, and that's normally your bridge page. You want to bridge people to the offer, and this is again all funnels. And then so once let's change the color on this again. So once they get to the bridge page, you need to be able to convey your story. You need to be able to convey why the product that you are promoting solves that particular problem. And so normally there's either a video or copy, and then there's a button where they can go to the product, right? And then if they purchase this is when the company gets money and you get money. Okay, so this is all to do with funnels. And so this is why the One Funnel Away Challenge, when you take this, when you learn what is a hook, what is the story, what is the offer, why these funnels are set up the way that they are, you can understand what the customer, what the lead will be going through as you are setting this all up. And keeping that in mind, then you can better offer to them certain bonuses or anything like that that they might need. Right? And there's a lot of different kinds of funnels. There's survey funnels. If you want to just survey your audience or survey your traffic, what kinds of things are they running into? What can I help them with, right? So there's a lot of different kinds of funnels, and there's membership funnels, like so you can have your own course. There's consulting funnels. So let's say that as an affiliate, a funnel is like this. It's an opt-in. We'll just say O to a page where they can apply, like an application to let's say like this is a really high ticket program. When I say high ticket, that means like, I don't know, maybe it's $2,500. So you're really like, your target audience would be someone with a little bit extra money. Let's say consulting, right? So this is the opt-in. They put in their email, and all of a sudden this is the application funnel where you only really want people who have disposable income of maybe $2,500. Okay, and then if they purchase, that means you would get a high ticket sale, which is upwards of $1,000 something. Now these are funnels that are a little bit more higher end, but you need to know what you're promoting. If you don't know how this all works, then how are you supposed to promote it, right? I know that the company does most of this stuff, but you need to know, when a client asks you, say, hey, I clicked on your link, I saw that they're offering me all this information or consulting or something for $5,000. I'm not sure about it. I'm thinking about pressing it. I'm not really sure. Can you tell me, what it all entails? If you don't know their funnel, you don't know what they're offering, then you're kind of out of luck. So, long story short, you need to find out how funnels work to become a better affiliate. If you don't, then you're going to kind of struggle because you're not going to know exactly what is going through the mind of the people who are going through it, right? So long story short, if you want to take this 30-day challenge, it's a ginormous challenge. It's lots of insane information. But I know that for me as an affiliate marketer, it really opened up my mind and to see how things really work. And I think one last thing, I know that this is kind of a long video, but you also want to learn how to do something called funnel hacking. This is something that I do all the time. Because as a marketer, you never want to do something outside of the box. You always want to kind of do stuff that is already working, right? And so what I love to do is, my handwriting's bad. What I love to do is actually opt into people's opt-in page. So right here, I'll put in my information, and I'll get their emails, and I'll see what they're emailing people. So I'll analyze, right? It's called I'm funnel hacking them, which means like I see their conversion process. I see the emails that they're getting. How are people converting? Why are they doing it this way, right? And then once I put my email in, I get to see their next page of the funnel, right? Why are so many people buying from this guy? You know, why is this guy making so much money? And when you look at the funnel, you can say, okay, man, he's using this. He's using these colors. He's using this terminology, this copywriting. He has this button there. His sales video is really good. And so this is what's funnel hacking. If you don't know anything about this, then you're going to be out of luck, because you're just going to try to do a bunch of things, throw a dart at the board, and it just won't work. Okay, so that's the third thing. So I am a huge advocate for this program. It's one of the best ones. Not to learn affiliate marketing or anything like that, but to learn the ins and outs of funnel. So if you want to give it a try, it's $100. Like I said, it's down in the link down below, and then also check for more affiliate marketing training. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.